All right, next we're gonna do a super duper juice. We're going for cucumber. We're gonna do 2 apples, 2 beets, ginger, turmeric, carrot, and lemon. This is going to be great for your eyes. This is going to be great for nitrous oxide. This is anti-inflammatory, cleansing, and it has all the vitamins and everything that you need in one day, all in this one juice. So this is going to be delicious. You're going to love it. So I'm going to set her back over here so you can watch. Now, when you're doing this, you got to be careful because I just did some juicing earlier. You can see there's some stuff in here. So I'm just going to wait to clean it all at once. So what you got to do is turn her on first. I leave all the skins on. And then we're just going to stick them in there. I'm going to let it run a little bit. Let her fill up. Looking good. I could put more in there, but I'm going to let it keep dripping because I don't want it to drip all over the floor. Now I'm going to hit this button to turn it off. Now one thing you want to make sure when you're doing this is you've got to put this on top right away, otherwise it shoots all over the place. So yesterday I put a beet in it and it exploded. It looked like I shot somebody in the head with a shotgun. It was bread everywhere. Man, it took me like an hour to clean it up. But anyway, so that's how you do it. Let it drip off there a little bit. And your best is to drink it right away. If you can, get your vegetables as close to the source as possible, also your fruit. And if you could pull it off a tree, that would be great, and grow it yourself. But most of us live in urban areas, so we've got to get it from the local store or green market. But anyway, you want to get as close to the source as possible. I leave all the skins on, and just boom, juice it, and that's what we got right there. So we're going to go ahead and taste it here in a second. Slide this over. You gotta watch out for the beet because the beet, man, it gets everywhere. Pour it right in there. I'm already dripping. All right, I gotta get in there. All right, so let's check it out, huh? You can taste a little bit of the ginger, apple, beet, cucumber. It's all there. When you drink this, you got to be careful because sometimes you forget that you had it. See all these pigments? Those are going right through your body. So the next day when you go to the bathroom, you could be seeing all that stuff in the toilet, or even when you're peeing it out, you can see it turns it red. So that thing is completely coating your alimentary canal, your kidneys, your bladder, everything. So you know it's getting everywhere it's got to get. And it's delicious. That's a great way to start the day. All right, we're going to make lots of more juice videos and smoothie videos. If you like this one, please subscribe to my channel. Check out all my other awesome videos on how to be a vegan. Peace out.